Good morning, children. Today I will discuss about some types of sums. Those are related to place value. Children, you remember these types of sums. These types of sums may come in the exam, but not exactly these sums. Now go to the first sum. Read the heading. Find the place value of the underlined digits. This is a number. We have to find out the place value of 3 and place value of 2. Now place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs. Or write this in number. 3 for lakhs we will put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now place value of 2. Place value of 2 is 2. T for 10, T is for thousands. 2, 10 thousands. Write this in number. 2 for 10 we will put 1 zero. For thousands we will put 3 zeros. So 2 10,000s is equal to 20,000s. Now go to this sum. Read the heading. Write the place value of the underlined digits in words. So write the place value of 7 in words. Write the place value of 2 in words. So place value of 7 is 710 lakhs. 710 lakhs. All should be written in words. Place value of 2 is 2000s. 2000s. All should be written in words. Now go to this sum. Add the place values of the underlined digits. This is a number 7, 8 and 2. These 3 digits are underlined. Okay. Now we have to add the place value of 7, place value of 8 and place value of 2. So place value of 7 plus place value of 8 plus place value of 2. So place value of 7 is 710 lakhs. Write 7 for 10, 1 0 will be there. For lakhs, 5 zeros will be there. Write the number directly. Now place value of 8 is 8 thousands. 8 thousands. 8 for thousands we will put 3 zeros. Plus 2 tens. 2 for 10 we will put 1 0. 2 tens is equal to 20. Now add these numbers. Okay. Add these numbers in rough place. The answer is this. Now go to this sum. Subtract the place values of the underlined digits. This is a number 3, 4. These 2 digits are underlined. Now place value of 3 minus place value of 4. Okay. Now what is the place value of 3? Place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. Directly write in number. 3 for lakhs we will put 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus. That is subtraction. 4 10,000s. That is the place value of 4. The place value of 4 is 4 10,000s. 4 for 10 we will put 1 0. For thousands we will put 3 zeros. Now subtract these 2 numbers. Do this subtraction in the rough place. The answer is this. Practice well, children. Thank you.